back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Valerie and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with me today, guys. So today I have a Nadine West, guys. Yeah, if you don't know what Nadine West is an online subscription clothing service. Kind of like a StitchFix type thing. You go on their website, you take a quiz, and then they will curate a bag for you. You can get the bag once a month or you can get it twice a month. You can get... excuse me, and you can get your first bag for free completely. Use the code Nadine when checking out, and you can try it for free, guys. Normally it's like almost $10 a month, or $10 per bag, I should say, and then they ship it to you. You check it out. Keep this bag because you're going to have to put everything back in it that you don't want. And check it out. If you want something, you keep it, and you get your $10 deducted off of there towards the purchase price of what you want. If you don't get anything, you send everything back, you lose your $10. So you just kind of basically pay for the shipping. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot. Yeah, I look forward to it. You know, I have a good time with it. Full disclosure, I am a Nadine West ambassador. So I do get my bags for free. That was not always the case. And I get to keep everything that's in the bags. So what doesn't fit me or what I don't want, I've been putting away in a box to do a giveaway. And it's taken a while. The box is really big. It's taken a while. So I'm almost thinking I might separate the box into two. Maybe get the giveaways going here because it's just taking quite a while to fill that one. It's a pretty good sized box. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. But so keep your eyes on our channel because we are going to start doing those, I promise. I know I've been saying it for a while. You also do get some jewelry with Nadine West. Even if you say you don't want it, they still will send you jewelry no matter what. I get approximately 6 pieces a bag. Some people get a lot more than that. Some people get like 13, 15 pieces per bag. I seem to get 6. And that's plenty. I'm good with that. So, without further ado, let's break into this bad boy. I'm going to show you what they send me. And I'm going to give you prices and all that kind of stuff. And then I am going to try them on and show you what they actually look like. So, this is what the bag looks like when you open it. Okay, you got like bundles of clothing in there. So let me get my glasses so I can see through what I'm doing. There will also be, hang on guys, give me a minute. There will also be one of these in there. This is a shipping label that you'll slap back on here to ship back to them, anything you don't want. And then there also is like a, what they sent you on there too. So, this is the first bundle, guys. Something floral. All right, let's open this up. Oh, I got jewelry off the bat. Let's do the jewelry first. Sometimes I get earrings, sometimes I get necklaces. I don't know what this is. Okay. Oh, earrings. Oh, these are kind of cool. I actually kind of like these. Yeah, those are me. Those are my jam. They're silver. Those are kind of cool. I actually like those. So, and they come in little pretty pink bags. Them in there. So that's the jewelry. Let's see here what they call this. Dammy earrings, silver, and they're $17.99 for the pair. It's not too bad. Sometimes they're kind of pricey, but that's not too bad. Alright guys, let me see what else we got here. Oh, this is kind of cool. I like tie-dye. Ooh, this is tie-dye. Oh, yeah, buddy. Ooh, I like that. That is cool. I was just thinking, I've seen some of these at Walmart, something similar, and I'm like, oh, I kind of like those. Yeah, a tie-dye tank. Yeah, all right. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is Florence Fuchsia, and it's $27.99. $27.99, Florence Fuchsia. I'm excited about that. All right, what do we have here? What do we have here? And the cool thing about getting these at home is you can take them, like, you know, match things up in your closet and see what works for it. Oh, this is a dress. This is a cute, cute dress. Okay, I don't know about the straps. I'm not real fond of the straps, but it's cute. It's got, these have pockets. I'm a pocket girl. I love my pockets. I don't know. I'm not feeling like, kind of feeling like there is, but then I can't find it. I don't know, maybe there's not pockets. I kind of felt like there was, but all right, I'll check that out later. I'll check that out later. And this is floral dresses. Nicole sleeveless maxi dress in neutral rose, and it's $40.99. Which just everything's getting more and more expensive. But this is feels like it's a good quality. And oh, I'm not telling you guys what brand this is. This is by Nexus. Nexus, something like that. This other one, let me see here, guys, real quick, is Sheila Rose. Sheila Rose. All right, let me get the next bundle out. We got gray, we got some more print. All right, let's dig into this, see what we got in here. Okay, we got a top, a heather gray top. This is by Nexus 2. It's the brand. Oops, it's the brand Nexus. I don't know how to say it. Okay, and here is the gray top. I don't think this is something I'm gonna like. I don't like the ruffle really, and I don't like all the seams in the front. Okay, so and it just feels like, I don't know, maybe like it's gonna be a little shorter. But, all right, I'll try it on, but it's probably going to go in the bag. And that one is Wella round neck chest shirring top in heather gray, $27.99. Okay, and I got a pair of bottoms, guys. Ooh, now these I hope these fit. I hope these fit. These are by Giovini. The brand, and these are cute. I was just looking at a pair like something similar like this at Walmart the other day, and oh, I like them. I like them. I like that they got the, are they real pockets? Let's see here. Oh yeah, real pockets. I thought they were zippered, but no. That's even kind of cute. That detail right there on both of them. Oh yeah, there's no. Oh, there is back pockets. Ooh, I like these. I really like that. These are kind of classy. So I hope they fit me. Sometimes I have problems with pants fitting me. Sometimes their pants bottoms don't fit me. So this is, I don't know. Okay. They're both, okay, they sent me another pair of pants, I guess. Well, those don't look like pants. Well, they're both $27.99. One's Donna pants in navy, and the other one must be the Rita pants. These must be Rita's. Yeah, these are the Rita pants, I think, evidently. I don't know whether I'm going to like those or not. They're a little bit, yeah, they're, I don't know. We'll try them on. We'll try them on. They just may not be my thing. May not be my thing. So there you have it. All right, so that's my bag. I'm going to go try on the first outfit, and I'll be right back, so hang on. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I have on, let's see here, the Florence Fuchsia top for $27 by Sheila Rose. It is the tie-dye tank. Let me back up. I love this one. I love the color of it. I love the tie-dye. It's comfortable. I don't normally do tanks like this per se, but it'd be cute with a little jacket. It'd be cute with no jacket when it's super, super hot like it is now. Today it's like 87, 86 degrees out today. So I like it. I really think it's cute. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. To me, this is a keeper. It's soft, it's supple. I love it. So yeah, I gotta keep this one. All right, on to the next one. Okay, Vixens, I'm back. And I have on, let's see if I can get it in here. I have on the Donna pants in navy for $27.99. And I have the Wella round neck chest shirring top and heather braid for $27.99. And actually, I didn't think I was going to like this top, but I'll tell you what, guys, it is comfortable. Oh my gosh, it is not clingy. It is really, really comfortable. I'm really thinking I like this. Let me back up so you guys can see it here. Yeah, I don't even mind the ruffles. The ruffles aren't too bad. Let me tilt you guys down a little bit here. And I love the pants. The pants fit me really nice. Yeah, these are definitely, I'm keeping the pants. So I don't know, I kind of like this top. It's kind of flowy, but it's comfortable. I mean, it really is comfortable. It's soft and it isn't clingy at all. I just feel really like relaxed in it, and I really think I like this whole outfit. So let me know down below what you guys are thinking in the comments. Yeah, I really like it. I like it. So I'm pleased with everything so far. That doesn't happen very often. So I'll go get, I think I got 2 more pieces. Let me try. I got to get 1 piece. I got to do them separate, so I'll be right back. All right, the pants I have on are by Shosho, and they are the Rita pants, white and blue multi for $27.99. I'll tell you right now, guys, these are going in the box. These are way too tight on me. I'm just going to step back and show you a little bit, but they're way too tight on me. They're cute, but they're too snug right in here on me. And they're a little bit long. So I think I'm just going to pass these on. I would not have worn it with this top anyway, but I think I'm going to pass these on. This is going to just go in to the giveaway box. So these are going to be part of the giveaway. They're beautiful. I mean, if somebody like worked in the office, they could really dress these up. You could wear them casually out, you know, so I think these would be really nice pants. They're just, this style of pants I have always had a hard time with. They always have been just snug on me, and they don't give with my body type. So I'm going to put them in the giveaway. So I got 1 more piece, which is the dress, so stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, I have the last piece on, which is the Nicole sleeveless maxi dress in neutral rose, and it's $40.99. It's cute. It's cute. So let me know what you guys think. Let me tilt you down so you can see. It's actually really, it's comfortable. It does not have pockets, but that's okay. It's really, I kind of really like it for, I don't know if I wear this out in public, but to lounge around the house in. Kind of like just a sun dress that to lounge around the house in. Might really be comfy. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm kind of liking it. It's a nice piece. It really is. So that's my Nadine West bag, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Have you ever tried Nadine West? And right now, don't forget, if you use the code Nadine, you can get a bag for free and try it out for free and check it out. So I'm gonna get off here and thank you guys so much for tuning in and joining me today. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe before you leave. We'd love to have you join our fam. We do a lot of different types of hauls. We do Nadine West unboxings and unbaggings and try-ons. We do all kinds of Scentsy. I am a Scentsy independent Scentsy consultant, and so we do all kinds of Scentsy, wax. I do makeup from time to time. I haven't done makeup in a long time, but I kind of try to throw things in there here and there so that things don't get stale and we're not getting bored with the same stuff over and over and over again. But yeah, check us out, and we'd love to have you. Like I said, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you're notified of any of my new uploaded videos so you don't miss anything. And if you guys have done all that already, thank you so very, very much. I appreciate you, each and every one of you, and I love each and every one of you so much. So you guys take care, and I will see you on the next one. All right, bye-bye.